Hey guys, I'm Teresa and welcome back to Live Love Lang. Here we teach you how to study multiple languages at once and how to get abroad. So today is sorta a collaboration with Natalia Garza, who teaches Korean while she learns it herself, and if you're interested you should definitely check her out. The video we're doing for her channel is a 1-hour study session with explanation on how we study for vocabulary/topic vocabulary. Anyway, this video is about the different ways I study when targeting different goals. Reading. I have so many books that I have bought, like chapter books and light reads according to my level to practice reading. I've learned from my Spanish learning that if you want to learn how to read, you have to just read, even if you don't understand what is being said. Stopping to translate every word won't help that much either. So I read through out loud and try to get as much as I can. And then I find the words I don't know and read it again. I, of course, use blogs and news articles too, which is great if you don't have a book. Writing. As you may have guessed, you have to write to write. I like to write journal entries in different languages, or paste in a picture from a random time and explain the event, or how I was feeling in my target language. Writing prompts and positive affirmations are always good too. Afterwards, I always have a native speaker correct it, and then I write a list of my mistakes, which I try not to repeat, but often do. Listening/vocabulary. I think vocabulary should be learned mostly naturally rather than any way else. So for vocabulary, I like to pair it up with listening. I watch TV variety shows or easy dramas I've seen a bunch of times, or Peppa Pig, all depending on my skill level, and then I write it down, whatever words I don't know or couldn't understand. I often write the context of the word too, or the sentence it was used in. Then at the end of the episodes, I look up the meanings of the words. I also use apps, like Tiny Cards, Quizlet, Monly, Drops, etc. for when I have time to kill. Speaking. I speak. I speak to myself, I speak to my friends, and I pretend to fight myself aloud. I preemptively plan conversations and attempt to form the flow of convos in my head. I use the app HelloTalk when I have no one around me to practice. I also copy what people say in YouTube videos, TV shows, or dramas. Tests. So for any standardized test, you can't pass unless you study the test and its questions. I have test apps. I have printed test papers, I have test papers on my iPad, and I have 3 or 4 test-related textbooks. Doing mock papers is really good, but I never have the patience to do them straight through. I'm trying to start that though. I usually go through the textbooks and answer questions in papers, anything that confuses me. I rewrite in my notebook and I break it down into smaller pieces. Hopefully, by your 3rd test, you do that a lot less. I also crunch vocab for tests too, but I kind of hate that part, and I think every student here already knows how to cram. So I guess that's it. That's the way I study language or study vocabulary or whatever for different goals. So I hope that this kind of helped you get some ideas for how you may want to study for yourself. And if you found this video helpful, then go ahead and press the like button and subscribe down below for more language-related content. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, we also have a Patreon if you want to help us out. That would also be great. And don't forget to check out our straight-through hour-long study session on Natalia's channel if you study Korean. Okay, bye!